Very warm welcome all of you. I am Sajita from CodeDesk. I am here to train in Python programming language. So this section will be a introduction section. Before entering into the section, you need to know what is mean by Python. So the Python are preferred by developer community choice for building web application and gaming application. If you are more interested in learning Python, this course from the CodeDesk will help you. This course will take you through all the basic and advanced concept of Python programming language. Before entering into the course, I will like to introduce about myself. I am Sajita Begum. I am working as assistant professor in engineering college pursuing PhD at Anna University with 3 years of experience in a professional training. Till now, I had trained 1000 plus of candidates to place in the IT industry. So let's see the course curriculum. So what are the things present in this course? So these are the things present in this course. So kindly go through it. So before get started, ensure all the system requirements are exist in your system. So in case of software requirement, you should have the browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer with enabled JavaScript in it. And also recommended to have the text editor, Notepad or Notepad++. In case of hardware requirement, with the operating system of Linux and Windows or Mac are required. And hard disk space of 250 GB and RAM space of 8 GB is required. I also include the installation link in this presentation. So the agenda of this course is, at the end of the course, you can able to develop the basic Python program along with the object-oriented concept, and you can able to work with files in your Python. At the end of the course, you will have the simple project using the Python. So without any delay, we will get through the course. So the introduction. Python is a high-level language, that is, it can be understood by the human being. Introduced by, that is, it is created by the Guido van Rossum in the year of 1985 to 1990. The man in the picture is the one who created the Python, and it is also said to be the scripting language because it does not require any compilation process like C and C++. So why the Python is more important? Because nowadays Python has become more important because using Python we can able to develop countless applications in the world of program. From the survey, it shows that Python have the higher impact on company to hire the employee. You can able to see the difference in this figure. At the year of 2017, only 41% of company will hiring the candidate who have experience in, that is, who have skill of Python. At the year of 2020, the range will be gradually increases. At the further year, the range will be gradually increases. So that's why the Python is more important. So what are the things makes the Python important? So that will be the next thing, the futures of Python. The Python is said to be the interpreter because it does not require any compilation process to communicate with the interpreter. The Python is said to be interactive. You can directly interact with the interpreter to write the program. And it is also supports the all object-oriented programming concept. Python is a beginner level language. It is easy to learn because it has the simple data structure, and also it is easy to maintain. The Python can able to run at the different platform, that's why it is said to be the portable. And it is said to be a free and open sources because you can able to download it for the free of cost. You need not pay anything for downloading it. And it is a higher level language, that is, the human can able to understand the Python programming language at easy, and it is said to be the scalable language. So before we are going to the modes of Python, we need to know what is meant by interpreter and compiler. So the interpreter is the one who translating the high level language one line at a one time, whereas compiler will can translate all the line at one itself, at the one execution itself. Interpreter does not require any object code. At usually C++ compiler are said to be the compiler language, and the Python is said to be the interpreter language, because Python does not require any compilation process, but C required compilation process, and in the while compiling, the object code has to be generated. In interpreter, the object code does not generate, and the memory requirement for the interpreter is less compared to that of compiler, and the error is displayed at each and every line, at the end of each and every line itself, whereas in compiler the error will be displayed after the execution of whole program. So the example of interpreter is Python, and the example of a compiler is C compiler. So there are two modes of Python interpreter. One mode is interactive mode, another mode is script mode. So before going inside detail, we will have the practical experiment in interactive mode and script mode. So for that, I am going to open the ideally window to run the program. So it will taking some time. Yeah, so this window is said to be the interactive mode, because here we will having the prompt symbol, the 3 greater than symbol. Then this window is said to be the interactive mode. In interactive mode, you can get the output immediately after pressing enter key. Here I am typing A is equal to 10, and then I am pressing the enter key and print of A. Print of A. So the output will be displayed immediately. Whereas in script mode, so for going to the script mode, you need to press file and new file. Then you will have the window without the prompt symbol. Then it is said to be the script mode. If the cell which is present with the prompt mode, then it is said to be interactive mode. If the cell which does not have the prompt mode, then it is said to be the script mode. So in script mode, you need to type the program and you need to save the program with .py extension. So I had typed the program, the same program what I had typed in interactive mode. A is equal to 10, print of A, and I am saving the program with .example1. The name of the file is example1 with .py extension. With extension. After that, I am running the program either by going to the run menu, or else you can simply press F5. So running the program, the output will be displayed at the interactive mode. The same output as that before. We will having the same output as before. So I am explaining the another example. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5. Then C is equal to A plus B. Now print of C. So what will be the answer? So first I am assuming A is equal to 10 and the value of B is 5. So I am adding the two things and saving into the another variable. So the variable concept we will see even at the next lesson. So print C. Now the output will be the 15. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So this here the output will be get immediately when I am pressing the enter key. Whereas in interactive mode, in script mode, I need to type the whole program. After typing the program, I need to save the program with .py extension. Print of C. And now I am saving the program as example2.py. So for running, you can either go with the run menu or else you can directly press F5. So I am getting the same output. So I had made error in some point. So is equal to again I am saving the program and I am running the code. So the same output will be I am getting. So what I had done is I had run the same program in two modes, interactive mode and script mode. So in interactive mode, the output will be get at immediately when I had pressed the enter button. Whereas in script mode, we need to save the file with .py extension. After that only you will get the output. So these are the introductions of Python. You need to know the two modes of Python. So now we will back to the theoretical part. So there are two modes of Python. So I am presenting the slide. Yeah, there are two modes of Python, interactive mode and script mode. So interactive mode, which can directly display the result immediately. Whereas in script mode, we need to save the file with .py extension. We need to save the file with .py extension. After saving the file only, you can able to run the program. Okay, so these are the two examples which we had seen. So this side is an example for interactive mode and this side will be the example for script mode. So in interactive mode, the prompt symbol will be present, whereas in script mode, the prompt mode will not be present. So at the end of section, we are going to come at the end of section. So the uses of Python. So the Python will be used at the various application. I had listed some of them. So first, BitTorrent file sharing. So you all know what is meant by BitTorrent. So for BitTorrent and Google search engine, YouTube, Intel, Cisco, HP, IBM, iRobot, NASA, gaming, Facebook, Dropbox, audio and video editor. So these are the some of application which using the Python programming. So that's all. This will be the end of class. Thank you.